In the US solely, TikTok sees 91 million users, mostly teens and millennials with average and above average income. Why do I tell you this? I just need you to realize that there is a myriad of ready-to-pay users for your store. Moreover, TikTok users are interested in different categories of products such as apparel and shoes, beauty and sports, food delivery, online education, and other online services. Mass products are king there. This is the reason why so many dropshippers are promoting their products through a TikTok account to build a large audience quickly and make millions of dollars without spending money on ads. First of all, TikTok has gained amazing popularity in a short span of time and become one of the most downloaded apps. As per the facts, it has more than 1 billion monthly active users, while some other sources report 500 million monthly active users. This is really a huge audience base that you can use to grow your dropshipping business. Also, due to TikTok's unique delivery algorithms, it's easy to get higher engagement on your videos with much less effort. Your TikTok videos can go viral even if your account is new and you have 0 followers. 90% of TikTok users use the app multiple times a day, and that makes the engagement even greater. You must get this advantage by marketing your business on TikTok, something that's almost impossible to get on Facebook. Localization is another advantage of TikTok, where you can find many creators come for specific locations and create community videos. While TikTok is a global app that works in more than 140 countries, businesses that operate at multiple locations can easily create localized marketing campaigns in different languages for their promotions. TikTok has many popular creators who come from small cities and have over 10,000 followers. We can also call them as micro-influencers on TikTok. These creators are very popular among their localities and known well by their followers. Thus, small businesses that want to run marketing campaigns for specific locations can find such local creators and collaborate with them. A quite good news for you as a drop shipper. You can get it verified by TikTok and use this channel to create useful branded videos, so make sure your content is qualitative. You can publish your short marketing videos here and promote your dropshipping businesses using TikTok brand partnerships. This is an amazing opportunity that you just can't afford to miss out as a dropshipper. People are making millions selling their products through their TikTok account, and the most amazing part is that they're not spending a single dollar doing it. So whatever your niche, you just have to publish good content around your product on TikTok and you'll be good to go. Now you can understand how useful TikTok ads can be for your dropshipping business. The number of users has been increasing continuously, and many businesses started looking at TikTok for their marketing. It's a good time where you should already start using TikTok marketing for your business and get the early benefits. So don't be afraid to give it a try. It may be the best decision you have ever made for your dropshipping business. That's all for today, guys. I hope you're enjoying this video. Hit the like button and consider subscribing if you want to know more about dropshipping and e-commerce. Let me know if you have any comments or suggestions. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video. Cheers.